I came to Downer Defence because it helped me to easily transition from the Australian Defence Force to defence industry with support networks and great leadership.
Veterans are really important to our business. They bring over the defence way of life into our civilian world where we can incorporate that back into the defence customer. Being a defence spouse is extremely hard at times, getting moved around every 2 to 3 years and trying to have a career, but being with Downer and them having a national footprint enables me to be able to move with him in the future.
Downer was a fantastic place to bring those skills to, for the fact that they encouraged it. They didn't try and limit you in the way that you did things. They were more than happy to embrace the knowledge you brought across from your defence career.
I'm very proud to be part of a business that has invested a lot in making a safe environment for our transitioning veterans or people who have left defence a long time ago. It's a great place to be, and you'll find many veterans here, which is really great to see. The way they have been trained, their ability to get to the point and make things happen is fundamental and really fantastic to be able to have as part of our workforce.
Veterans bring to our business a range of skills and experience that directly translate into our delivery of service. Understanding Defence's culture makes it easy for veterans to come into a business and interpret a complicated defence environment and become effective and efficient early because they understand the circumstances in which they're operating.
So I was a naval officer who served within Royal Australian Navy, and coming into Downer within the defence contract was amazing. It was like being home. It allowed me to still contribute and serve defence, but from a more civilian contractor industry perspective. We do have a lot of veterans working within my team and also the wider Downer group. We have a lot of people who have come from Army, Navy, Air Force, and I think that it brings special diversity to our business as well.
Working at Downer Professional Services is really a continuation of my service as a veteran. I was drawn to work with Downer because they are primarily focused in supporting the Department of Defence, and our teams are still every day embedded with the Department of Defence, supporting really difficult decisions around what the capability looks like and looking at new ways to be able to deliver that capability faster to address those issues.
I gained a lot from my time in defence, and I met a lot of great veterans, so giving back to my veteran community is important to me. We have 7 veterans working in the Townsville region that I know of. We've talked about our time in service, we message each other, especially around significant times and events, so it helps build that social network that you lose when you leave defence as well, so it's been very positive for us.
I'm humbled because of how strong the veteran community is in Australia, and to be a small part of that community has really given me a sense of purpose.